So Rebuilding Together is actually a national organization. We've got about 140 affiliates across the United States. And what we do is we go into the homes of low-income residents and we help fix them up at no cost to the resident. We do a little bit more than that though, because we also do community building and investing. We partner with other nonprofits to fix up their facilities to ensure that the missions that they have are able to be executed. Sometimes when their buildings are falling apart, they can't do what they actually have money to do in helping the community.
Hi, I'm Megan with Coakley Williams Construction, and I'm here to help make a difference for women in the Montgomery County area.
Hi, I'm Avery from PCC Construction Components. I'm currently working on painting the basement. I would describe today as fun, educational. I mean, it's been great to work with all these women.
My name is Leah Hamilton with Resource Industries. We're a woman-owned aggregates company operating here in Maryland and DC. We feel lucky to be able to be part of such an experience like this to give back to other women in need. And 2 words to describe today's experience would be fulfilling and beneficial.
Anybody that's trying to think about volunteering with She Builds, it is a very rewarding experience to be able to give back to these women in the community and show them that there's other women supporting them.
My name is Mary Beth Kingsley. I'm with Shapiro and Duncan. And for someone who might be considering coming out to a Rebuilding Together activity, I would say you should definitely do it. There's all different levels of activities and different scopes of work.
My name is Desiree Bray and I'm with Forrester Construction.
My name is Tansy Therensberg and I'm with BF Joy.
My name is Christina Green and I'm with Lindley's.
My name is Natasha Brazel and I'm with BF Joy.
What we did today was basically a lot of maintenance, and today we were painting.
I'm Melissa Kaler. I work for B. Frank Joy Company, and I'm out here today at the She Builds event representing ABC Women Building Washington. I want everybody to know about this event. This is a great way to get out and help the community, and today it's all about women helping women. So we're super excited about this event, and we hope you'll join us next year.